Well, guys, this little strip right here, you see here, and the little strip over there, it's like 10 acres right here, 15 acres. And it's the last little bit of harvest 2019. Thank the wicked God. It is. I'm so, we're finally done. We this Saturday, we came out, we got last night, and we got this field, this 6 acre field here. We got most of it done. It's a little tanker field, and they got 2 tough on us. We got a little tanker spot here, and they got 2 tough on us. We're over here finishing up today. I'm over here finishing up today. They're all doing something else, so I got me an auger wagon over here and a semi. So I think so. Surely I should hold all this over here, hopefully. If I don't, if it don't hold all that, then we got really good beans. But it should hold it all. So yeah. Sliding down the hill. Lovely. This is kind of a steep hill here. I'm trying to slide down here, mainly because it's muddy. Hold on. Mainly because it's muddy. But anyway, right here is what we like. Right here, what you see in front of us here. Well, what we like, we like a little spot. We like a little dab right there, and that's all we like for August 19th. Thank goodness, it's been a long time coming. We'll finally do it. We'll finally get done. And so these beans been snowed on, and everything in walk with us, so we haven't lost any of them. But they've been snowed on twice. They've been rained on. They've had about 12 inches of rain on them. But yet they're still holding up good. The neighbors cutting across the road, and everybody's racing. And we got 3 days here, nice weather, and basically the race is on to get through. So. Anyway, that's what we're doing.